Munini wa musumbi ula unanguthulilwe kivilani Rigathi Gachagua niwaweta kana ndeiwa ena usesei mwianu. Gachagua niwasya kavinda ka ndambuka ya Kisumu andu ukunikili ni malikile nyumbani ila wai na umawa kutata kumwekea sumu ende amanya na aye mako ya legosu. Wasya kavindani kange meji kikundi kuma muvyani wa isalo ni mwokie na matata kumwekea sumu na itina wake ukwemela niw'o mutalatala wa kumuvetanga kivilani unathakiwe. Rigathi niwasya ni wavute wa umonde kuma sivitali na enukate na maovisa usesei kwake na vakeke Kindu musyi wake President Ruto niwe wailite Akulw'E ena mavombe yange.
Munini wa musumbi kumung'uthula kuma watongo-ini Rigathi Gachagua ni wavutwa kuma hospitali ni wa Karen wala withitwa akomete kundu kwata witi kuma wakana chuma kithelu wala wavikena kunena na andiki mamovunza wa hospitali usu wala weta maundu kautala wendena kwisila ilone hospitali na ilone nthini wa watongo-i.
Millions of Kenyans who have been praying for me for my quick recovery. I really want to thank them and to say that I will remain forever indebted to them for their concern, for their love, and for wishing me quick recovery.
Gachagua ni watongea Kenya mubea kundwa kuungamana ake mboya ni vindani hospitali na wendena kwisilwa ngilongo mosi otongoi wala wetakana ni wendene saa indi ndena vinyam.
I think for now my life comes first, my health comes first. It's unfortunate that when I was here in hospital, my brother and friend, President William Ruto, ordered for the withdrawal of my security from the hospital here. I've been here alone without a single officer looking after me. He ordered the withdrawal of security guards in my rural home in Nyeri, in my private home here in Karen, and all officers who are close to me were disarmed and given warning that they should not be anywhere near me.
Munini wa musumbi hayinuka kuma hospitali ni wa Karen na usesei wa kuyana wala weta kana Kindu Kithuku kyeekika kana musyi wake wa Akulw'E ni musumbi William Ruto.
I didn't know President William Ruto can be that vicious. I am shocked by how vicious a man I helped to be president, a man that I believed in, a man that I was persecuted when supporting him, could be so vicious against me when I'm literally fighting for my life in hospital. How cruel can a man be? You know, as we speak today, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, Rigathi Gachagua, has no single security officer around him. He's alone. And I am aware that a judge seated in Kirogoya, another one seated in Milimani, gave conservatory orders staying the proceedings of the Senate, which effectively means I'm Deputy President. But the President, in total violation of the court orders, viciously withdrew security around me.
Gachagua iweta kana nthini wa tongo wake bona musumbi William Ruto wena nguthu ya andu ndambuka kwe kauntini ya Kisumu matumwitwa kumwekea sumu liuni wake na amanya na alea kuya na ingia weta maofisa meisalo ndambuka kwe Nyeri ni matatie kumwekea sumu iweta kicha alea kuya niwe mutalatala wa kumung'uthula kuma watongo-ini unambisye.
On 30th of August in Kisumu, undercover security agents entered my room in Kisumu and bagged it, and one of them tried to poison my food. But we detected it and we were able to escape the scheme. I was supposed to be killed through poisoning. On 3rd of September in Nyeri, another team from the National Intelligence Service came to Nyeri and tried to poison food that was meant for me and Kikuyu Council of Elders. I did report this matter to the National Intelligence Service, and the officers who were assigned to my office, I asked them to leave because I felt I was not safe. After the 2 attempts to assassinate me through food poisoning failed, it is when this impeachment motion was hatched.
ingi niwaweta kana ndesi ni musumbi William Ruto munyanya wake wa vakuvi na vindukia na mituki huu na kumwisilia maumota aya weta kuvetangu kwa usesei kitandani cha awau ni kindu cha kumachapa na weta kana no kuendea na kumanza aki yake kusila koti weta kana ena mwikia no dhukumi wa makoti wambi ya Kenya.
You have paid us in kind by being so cruel and vicious against us. We are simple people. We are a very small family. Let us be. Do whatever you want, but please, Mr. President, I beg you, don't kill us. Don't kill my children. You have caused me enough pain for the last 1 year. Please, leave me alone.
Televote Abdingo Muvomo Tongo TV, Neto Onesmus, Chalo.